feeling ko na sakay kita kami sa bayan.
What's up everyone? I'm back with another video, and today guys, andito po kami sa Singapore Polo Club. At kasalukuyan kami naglalaro ng tennis ngayon. So may dalawang court diyan. Nag-book kami ng isang court for $8 an hour. So murang-mura lang guys. And mamaya kakain kami dito sa may rancho. Yung mga nagpa-practice ng polo. So, kasama ko nga pala guys yung mga kasama ko sa mountain biking. Ito yung court.
Wag member pero.
Member bang
Wala
yun?
natin magamit video Jay.
Ha?
Ano? Video katong isa ka kamera mo.
Kanira.
Ha?
Klaro man nimo kuan.
Oo. Oh, tumigil ka dito. Sige ka, tatandi.
Yun no?
Nagulahon na lagi ko goal from Anpod. Wala man sa ikuan. Ha?
Kumaibog ang ito.
Okay, break time.
Ako hindi ipagamit sa mo ha. Oo, ba?
Break time, gipang kapoy.
Gamay na pakka sa mo.
May kuha na lang si Orly. Howd na ni sa next week.
Abi pala akong picture video diyan.
Oh, cheers, cheers.
Ganda.
Happy birthday yan. Sa kay Jay, man yung birthday ron.
Ay, magka... Ano yung kabayo, Just?
Oh. Sige.
Siya pangalan, anak.
Picture lang kami.
Hi.
Destination. Meteor.
Ay,
Meteor, mamahak.
ganahan ko kasi og piyong mo.
1, 2, 3.
Mm.
Desde que te vi, yo me enloquecí. Buscaba una así y por fin te conseguí. Desde que te vi, yo me
Ito
enloquecí
po yung mga kabayo ng Singapore Polo Club, guys.
y por fin te conseguí. Y ahora en mi corazón tú estás y ya no quiero a nadie más. Contigo me quiero pasarla, mamacita, vámonos de fiesta.
Tapos ayun pa, nakahilera. Tapos may bar doon.
Contigo me quiero pasarla, mamacita, vámonos de fiesta. Desde que te vi.
Dito naman, di ko alam anong tawag dito. Parang may isolation na ano yan? Pupo. May mga White Castle whiskey pa dito. Mga White Castle whiskey na kabayo.
White Castle Light?
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, speaking fast, I can roast, I can gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness, hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior, get off of me, this ain't no humble brag, I want you to hear words, you can say them back, I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead of say something out of let you go. Something that is topical, rub it on and watch it go. Make yourself unstoppable, prove you're irresponsible, but they're always possible. Just believe you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. I'm making modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up,
Ubos na
take shit,
ilaw.
I got no love